English Learning Podcast from Hello English.
Section 1. Introduction and Why Thinking in English Matters.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hello English. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. Today's topic is exciting. How to think in English naturally.
Many learners say, I translate everything in my head. Today, we'll fix that.
Yes, thinking directly in English makes you sound fluent faster.
Vocabulary time. Translate. Change words from one language to another. Fluent. Able to speak smoothly and easily. Natural. Sounding like a native speaker. Thought process. The way you think about something.
Section 2. Common mistakes in learning English.
Many learners overthink and translate every word.
I very like coffee instead of I really like coffee.
Vocabulary. Literal translation. Word-for-word translation. Context, the situation in which words are used. Grammar mistake, sentence structure errors. Expression, a natural way to say something.
Focus on phrases instead of individual words.
Think in chunks, not in single words.
Section 3. Surround yourself with English.
Immerse yourself in English. Listen every day.
Movies, podcasts, songs. Your brain adapts to thinking in English naturally.
Vocabulary. Immerse. Put yourself completely in a language. Context clues. Hints in sentences that help you understand meaning. Native content. Material made by English speakers. Listening comprehension. Understanding spoken English.
Start with just 5 to 10 minutes daily.
Yes, consistency is key.
Section 4. Thinking in phrases.
English is like building blocks. Learn phrases, not individual words.
How are you is a block. I'm fine, thanks is another.
Vocabulary. Chunk. A group of words naturally used together. Collocation. Words that are commonly paired. Idiom. Phrase with meaning different from literal words.
Formulaic expression, fixed common expression.
Using phrases speeds up your speech.
And your thoughts start flowing in English.
Section 5. Practicing internal monologue.
Try speaking to yourself in English.
Describe what you do, see, or feel.
Vocabulary. Monologue. Talking to yourself. Self-talk. Thinking in words inside your head. Narration. Telling a story. Reflection. Thinking about your own thoughts.
I'm making coffee. It smells great.
It trains your brain to think in English.
Section 6. Shadowing practice.
Shadowing is repeating after a native speaker immediately.
Watch a video or listen to audio, then repeat aloud.
Vocabulary, shadowing. Repeat words or phrases immediately. Intonation, rise and fall of your voice. Rhythm, the natural beat of sentences. Pronunciation, how you say words.
It helps you sound more natural fast.
Even 10 minutes daily works wonders.
Section 7. Visualizing situations in English.
Imagine you're at a cafe in English.
Think, I'd like a coffee, please. Visualize the cup, the barista, the menu.
Vocabulary, visualization, creating a mental picture. Scenario, imagined situation. Dialogue, conversation between people. Context, the situation where words are used.
This strengthens thinking in English naturally.
It also improves memory and recall.
Section 8. Using English in daily routine.
Speak English while doing daily activities.
I'm brushing my teeth or I'm making breakfast.
Vocabulary, routine, your daily habits. Narration, telling what you do. Habit, repeated action. Expression, a phrase or sentence used naturally.
Even thinking in English while walking counts.
Your mind will adapt automatically.
Section 9. Asking questions in English.
Asking questions makes conversation easier.
What do you like? How is your day?
Vocabulary, question, sentence asking for information. Response, answer to a question. Clarification, making something clear. Polite expression, friendly way to ask or say something.
Ask often to practice thinking in English.
Even if small, questions help fluency.
Section 10. Using idioms and natural expressions.
Idioms make speech colorful.
Piece of cake. Very easy. Break the ice. Start a conversation.
Vocabulary, idiom, phrase with a figurative meaning. Expression, natural phrase. Context when it fits to use. Fluency, smooth and natural speech.
Use idioms sparingly but naturally.
They make you sound like a native.
Section 11. Storytelling practice.
Tell stories in English about your day.
Start small. Today I went to the park. I saw a dog.
Vocabulary, storytelling, telling events or experiences. Sequence, order of events. Detail, extra information to make story vivid. Narration, description of events.
This helps you organize thoughts in English.
And you'll speak confidently.
Section 12. Thinking in English for problem solving.
Solve small problems in English first.
I lost my keys. What should I do? Think in English.
Vocabulary, problem solving, finding solutions. Brainstorm, think of ideas. Logical thinking, step-by-step reasoning. Reflection, thinking about options.
This trains your mind to stay in English automatically.
Yes, and it's really fun.
Section 13. Review and repeat.
Review what you learned today.
Repeat key phrases, vocabulary, and expressions.
Vocabulary. Review. Look over again. Repeat. Say again. Memorize. Remember words or phrases. Reinforce. Strengthen learning.
Even a 5-minute daily review helps a lot.
Your brain remembers faster.
Section 14. Confidence in speaking.
Confidence is key.
Speak, even if you make mistakes.
Vocabulary. Confidence. Belief in yourself. Mistake. Error. Correction. Fixing errors. Natural speech. Speaking smoothly like a native.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The more you speak, the more confident you get.
Section 15. Putting it all together.
Combine everything. Think in phrases, visualize, self-talk, use idioms.
Listen, shadow, and review daily.
Vocabulary summary. Immersion. Living in the language. Fluency. Smooth, easy speech. Idiom. Colorful expression. Internal monologue. Thinking in English.
Practice daily and your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
And soon, you'll speak naturally and confidently.
That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment. See you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon.